guys, my name is Napo H Barista. Thank you so much for checking out my page. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance work on the Marzocco Mini. We're also going to be doing some upgrades. We're going to be changing the shower screen and adding a Slayer quartz-coated dispersion screen. We're also going to be swapping out the OEM filter basket and adding a VST precision basket. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're also going to be cleaning out the exterior and doing the back flush, making sure that we get some really good tasting espressos out of the Marzocco Mini. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna get started by removing the portafilter and putting in a blank filter basket. I'm also going to use the Marzocco recommended cleaning solution. One dab, that's about it. And now I'm gonna just take this and apply it to the group head. Activate my timer and go. All it takes is 10 seconds. Okay, and you're going to see soap being released into the waste tank. Let's do it again. Alright, so you basically want to keep doing this until you no longer see soapy water coming out of there. Now it took about 6 times, but I want to show you guys that I no longer have soap coming back into the drip tray. No more soap, just clear water coming out. That means that the solution is now gone. The next step is to remove the shower screen from the Marzocco, and you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, which I have here. At this point, I'm just going to go ahead and start running water through this. Okay, get my brush. Get it in here, all the way around the sides. Make sure I get everything out. Now I'm going to start removing the shower screen. Okay, so this is the old shower screen and this is the new. It's not as dirty as I thought it would be. This is our old one. This is the new. You can see it has some coloration. That has to do with the quartz coating that's on it. It's like a non-stick coating that allows for cleaning of the group head to be a lot easier. Just that with this, it's not recommended to do a back flush with Cafiza because you start to remove the coating and then you would just need to replace this, which is quite expensive, so you don't want to do that. Since I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and give this another scrub to make sure I get all the loose coffee and fine grinds from here. Just make sure this machine is absolutely clean. Yeah, I got some dirt there. Just keep doing that until it's all gone. Okay, now we're ready to install this guy. Now I learned that when installing this screen, you don't want to over tighten it since it's not the OEM part. It is a little smaller and more flexible, so if you over tighten the screw, it's going to end up pushing up against the screen. So you just want to just tighten it a little bit. Now I know you guys are waiting to see that water flow, but just bear with me 1 second. I just want to show you guys how I clean the machine before showing that. Basically, to get all the coffee stains and fingerprints and all that stuff from just backsplash of the Mini as well as the top, I just fill this jug with water and I just put a little bit of the Marzocco solution in it, not Cafiza. Cafiza I think is a little too strong. I like to use what Marzocco recommends for their machine, and I just give it a quick little stir. I don't put a lot, and I get a paper towel like so and I just dip it once. I'm just gonna wipe the backsplash of the espresso machine and then dry it, and you're gonna see all those stains instantly remove. And here it goes. This is the damp side, right? And mind you guys, I'm only putting this on the backsplash, and now I'm going to dry it. Look at this shine. Look at this shine. Literally in 1 minute, I get a nice shine without harming the machine at all. Voila. So this is the screen that came with the Marzocco Mini. It is a little old, but this is it. Pretty much breaks up into 4 streams, and then it starts dancing around a little bit, and it focuses in the middle more than the outside. People want to see the action. Okay, I can't get it better than that. Woo! Look at that! Look at that! Oh snap! All right, let's get it straight on. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Even water distribution. Hey guys, as you can see, the Slayer Quartz-coated dispersion screen makes a huge difference. I mean, the water was just dripping through that shower screen so evenly. I can't wait to taste the fruit of this even dispersion of water. But before that, I have to change the burrs to the Linea Mini. So look out for video number 2.